What up, guys? Today's video we're gonna talk about stretching. So we're gonna talk about my opinion on stretching. I repeat, my opinion. Right? So this is not gonna be a scientific video. This is just gonna be my experience and my opinion on if stretching is necessary and how you should do it. Okay? If it's even necessary. So let's begin. When I started my fitness journey, when I started this fitness shit, lifting weights, I did a little bit of combat sports, MMA, boxing, kickboxing, I did all that shit. There was a lot of stretching involved in those sports, right? So when I was kickboxing back then, if you want to know more about that story, you can go check out my video on my story. But that's, if you want, you can go check that out. So I did kickboxing a few years. And there was a lot of stretching involved, because you had to get the flexibility to kick higher. And for that, it was very useful. If you're in a specific sport, I definitely think stretching is necessary. Like it was in my sport, but I'm not doing that anymore. I'm specifically a bodybuilder now. And I did try stretching a few times, right? But I don't see any benefit from it except the flexibility. Other than that, I don't see any benefit. Plus, a few studies say that when you perform stretching before a workout, it can even hinder your strength gains and power output. Pretty crazy, right? So, me personally, I don't do it. Because it's not necessary for me specifically. If you're a younger guy in your 20s and you're fucking lifting weights, want to be the strongest motherfucker around, you don't want to build muscle, you don't need to stretch. Except if you have some chronic pain. If you have pain, then you should stretch or foam roll. This is a very... Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you this. So, this is basically a foam roller, right? It's a pretty good item made of foam. It's basically the massage for poor people. It's basically a self-massaging item, which is the same as getting a massage, where someone, pushes on that body part that has pain. So, you're not gonna feel pain anymore. This is awesome. I use this a few times on my back or on the very painful specific points on my legs a lot after heavy leg days. So this is awesome, but not a lot, right? I do this in rare cases, but that's just because it's not necessary for me. I don't need it. Just like I don't need stretching. Maybe when I'm gonna get older, my joints are gonna get older, maybe then I'm gonna do a little more stretching and a little more mobility work. But now, at this stage that I'm on now, I just don't want to fucking do it. It looks boring, I just don't fucking do it. But if you guys are in a specific sport, like I said, or if you have pain and want to be more flexible, yeah, you should definitely do it. So if you need it, you should definitely do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Helps me out tremendously. And peace out.